Hey, in this video, I will be showing you how you can create your account on CostTrail.io and start analyzing and optimizing your cloud spend. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So we are already on our website CostTrail.io. You just have to click on sign up for free and you will be redirected to our sign up page. Just enter your basic details like your full name, the work email, company name, designation and all, and simply click on create account. Once you click on create account, you will be getting a verification code, so you just have to go to the inbox of yours and refresh it, get the code from there. Like in our case it's 731869. I'll simply get it and type it here and click on verify account. So you can see that your account has been successfully verified and now you are a CostTrail user. So you can simply log in with your credentials and you will be redirected to an integrations page. Hooray! Now in the next video, I'll be showing you guys how you can integrate your AWS account with us. See you. Bye bye.